As the holidays approach, many of us dream of a Christmas that's bright, light, and filled with the calm beauty of the sea. Coastal Christmas decorations blend the tranquility of the ocean with the festive spirit of Christmas, creating a soothing and refreshing atmosphere. Whether you're by the coast or simply love the beachy vibe, this style of holiday decor brings the ocean into your home, combining soft hues of blues, whites, and sandy neutrals with natural elements like seashells, driftwood, and coral. In this video, we'll explore a variety of coastal Christmas decoration ideas that will help you bring the beauty of the shore into your holiday season. From beach-inspired trees to light and airy accents, let's dive into how you can create the perfect coastal Christmas setting. The centerpiece of any holiday decor is often the Christmas tree, and when it comes to coastal Christmas decorating, this is the perfect place to start. A coastal tree is typically light and airy, with a natural, beachy feel. You can start with a simple artificial or real tree either in a soft green or frosted white, and then bring in the coastal elements. For a traditional coastal look, focus on soft blues, whites, and sandy beiges. Decorate the tree with ornaments inspired by the sea, such as starfish, seashells, and small driftwood pieces. You can also add some nautical touches with tiny rope garlands or netting that mimic fishing nets. String lights in cool whites or soft blues add to the beachy vibe and give the tree a serene, glowing look. Consider hanging seashell ornaments of various sizes, which can be gathered during a beach trip or bought from craft stores. These elements bring the charm of the shore to the tree while keeping it minimal and elegant. To add a touch of whimsy, include some glittering elements like silver or gold starfish, sand dollars, or sequin-covered fish. These reflect the light and give the tree a sparkling, ocean-inspired glow. Don't forget the tree skirt. Use a natural material like burlap for a rustic touch, or go with a blue and white striped fabric for a more nautical theme. For a beach-inspired topper, consider a starfish or a delicate driftwood arrangement, which adds a natural and earthy touch to your tree's crown. If these coastal Christmas decoration ideas brought some fresh, beachy vibes to your holiday planning, give this video a like and share it with friends who adore a relaxed, seaside Christmas style. Wreaths and garlands are essential elements for any holiday decor, and in a coastal-themed Christmas, they can help to extend the beachy vibe throughout your home. Coastal wreaths often feature natural materials, light colors, and elements that evoke the sea, like shells, driftwood, and faux coral. Start with a base of greenery, like pine, fir, or eucalyptus, and decorate it with coastal-inspired accents. Add seashells of all shapes and sizes, or perhaps a few starfish for extra charm. Driftwood pieces and sand dollars can be used as rustic touches to give your wreath an earthy feel. To add texture, incorporate coastal flowers, such as white lilies, or soft blue hydrangeas, to mirror the beauty of the ocean. For a more dramatic look, consider hanging a larger wreath as a statement piece above a fireplace, or use smaller, circular wreaths on doors and windows. To enhance the seaside look, you could also add fairy lights to the wreath, wrapping them carefully around the branches and ornaments to create a twinkling, magical effect. Garlands can follow a similar approach. Drape them across mantelpieces, around windows, or even downstairs railings. For a truly beachy garland, consider adding dried seaweed or twine with small sand dollar charms woven throughout. You could also add some sea glass, strung together, for a pop of color and to catch the light. Whether it's on your front door or as part of your mantel decor, wreaths and garlands are a great way to bring the coastal theme into your home. What's your favorite coastal Christmas element? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're bringing the beach to your holiday decor this season. The dining area is another important space to incorporate your coastal Christmas theme. For a beach-inspired Christmas dinner, think of using soft, natural colors and textures that evoke the calm and refreshing spirit of the ocean. Begin with a simple table runner in light linen or a beachy striped pattern, and layer it with placemats made from natural materials, such as seagrass or wicker. These bring a rustic, coastal vibe to your table while keeping the look elegant and fresh. For your centerpiece, create a stunning beach-inspired display using candles, seashells, and driftwood. You can arrange candles in glass holders that resemble lanterns, or place pillar candles inside large seashells. For a more dramatic effect, use a glass vase filled with sand and small starfish or shells, topped with a glowing candle. Dinnerware should reflect the relaxed, laid-back coastal lifestyle. Think of dishes in soft whites, light blues, or seafoam greens. You can incorporate touches like shell-shaped napkin rings or napkins tied with jute twine to complete the look. Glassware, too, can be beach-inspired, with clear glasses or glasses with blue or green tints, reminiscent of the colors of the sea. For added charm, place small coastal-themed ornaments on each plate, or as a part of place settings, miniature starfish or sand dollars could double as both decor and place cards. A touch of twinkle lights, draped across the table or overhead, adds warmth and an extra magical quality, creating an inviting atmosphere for guests. For more festive ideas that blend style and tranquility, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest decorating trends. Christmas decorating doesn't have to stop indoors. Your outdoor space can also reflect the coastal Christmas theme. There are many ways to extend the beachy holiday vibe outside, and the key is to use materials that are durable yet aligned with your coastal theme. Start by decorating the exterior of your home with soft white or blue lights. You can outline windows, doors, and the roofline, creating a glowing effect reminiscent of the ocean waves under moonlight. If you live near the beach, collect some driftwood to create natural wreaths or sculptures for your front yard. A driftwood tree could be a striking outdoor centerpiece, with seashells or coastal ornaments hanging from the branches. For outdoor wreaths, consider a large wreath made entirely from greenery, pine cones, and small, natural elements like seagrass or beach pebbles. Add twinkle lights to enhance the look and create a welcoming, festive feel for your home. Another unique outdoor idea is to fill a large container with sand, place a candle inside, and surround it with small seashells and beach glass. These DIY beach lanterns will glow softly, adding a peaceful light to your porch or garden. You can also add a variety of beach-inspired outdoor decorations, such as light-up coral sculptures or an illuminated starfish. For a truly festive touch, set up a beach-themed nativity scene with palm trees, sand dunes, and sea creatures to replace the traditional stable and barn setting. Check out our holiday decor playlist for more creative, seasonal ideas, whether you're looking for coastal charm or classic Christmas elegance. Coastal Christmas decor is all about embracing the natural beauty of the beach while keeping the atmosphere relaxed and inviting. By blending elements like driftwood, shells, and soft lighting, you can create an environment that feels both festive and tranquil. Whether you're incorporating small details like beach-inspired ornaments or transforming entire spaces with coastal wreaths and garlands, the options are endless for making your home feel like a coastal holiday retreat. Don't be afraid to experiment with textures like jute, burlap, and natural fibers, which bring warmth and rustic charm to your Christmas decorations. Each piece, whether it's a simple seashell or a larger driftwood arrangement, adds to the overall feeling of serenity and connection to nature. The beauty of this style lies in its versatility. It can easily be adapted to suit both modern and traditional settings. It's a unique way to celebrate the season with a laid-back, beachy twist that evokes the peacefulness of the sea. Ultimately, a coastal Christmas is about creating a peaceful, beautiful environment where you can celebrate the holidays with family and friends in a space that feels both stylish and relaxing. For a truly unique coastal Christmas experience, try incorporating subtle nautical themes into your holiday decor. Think of using ropes and anchors as part of your wreaths or garlands, adding a maritime touch without overpowering the natural beach aesthetic. You can also create a sandy feel by placing decorative elements like small sand-filled glass jars or seashell ornaments on your mantel or table. Accent pieces like starfish, sand dollars, and miniature lighthouses can bring the charm of the coastline into your home. Want to bring these coastal Christmas decorations to life in your home? Head to the description for links to all the products used in today's video so you can start styling your beach-inspired holiday. Coastal Christmas trees are another great idea. Decorated with natural elements like pine cones, coral, and driftwood, they evoke a serene, oceanfront vibe. Soft, cool tones such as seafoam green, pale blue, and soft whites mimic the colors of the beach and the sky, offering a calm and peaceful setting. Add twinkling fairy lights to mimic the shimmer of the ocean and create a magical, dreamy atmosphere. Combining these elements will not only make your home feel more festive, but will also transport you to a peaceful, beach-inspired holiday getaway. The beauty of coastal Christmas decor is its ability to blend tradition with a fresh, modern take, making it perfect for anyone seeking a more relaxed and unique holiday vibe.